rural and urban. It's system-wide economic development. Case in point, we have funded a few co-ops in this region, and if you know co-ops, food co-ops have many of their purchases, almost the majority of their purchases, between 50 and 70% of their purchases come from local providers between 100 and 150 miles of the food co-op. And so as we have helped co-ops expand, their needs or, their purchases have increased from all of these local producers and manufacturers. And so now those local producers and manufacturers have had to build additional infrastructure in order to support this growing demand, which is a great problem to have, but it's been a nice way of supporting and finding capital needs or projects that need financing that connect with both the retail side and the food system side that we work on. So it's quite possible to have a comprehensive program.
Great. And then just one last question before we move on to discussing impact measurement. I know you spoke a little bit about some staffing decisions within the different parts of the program, but are there any really critical staff positions that you would talk about in terms of just from your experience at TRF?
If we're specifically speaking about impacts, I think Lance would be the best to answer this question, particularly because TRF over time, we just recently hired someone to kind of manage all of our data and impact analysis amongst all of our different